Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl High Class here. I'm back again with another video for you guys. I know it's been a minute. I'm not here to make no excuses. I'm not here to explain myself. I'm here to give you guys this video because you won't want to see this. All right, so without any more talking, let's get into it. Installing a wig for you guys. Yes, honey, installing a wig for you guys. And when you see the wig, y'all gonna be like, what? Yes, so let me show you the wig. Ta-da! This is a 30-inch goddess lock wig. So this is a full lace wig, full lace, honey, full lace wig that I ordered from this girl. Of course, I will give you all the details, you know, towards the end of the video, or leave them in the description box below. This wig came to me just like this. Let's get into the specs really quickly. It came with only combs in the back. I included combs around here, 1 2 3. That's just for my personal security, and it came with an elastic band on the inside as well. So this wig was made to order. It did come from China. The wig it's actually braided first and then wrapped around. It's handmade, and it comes in whatever color that you want it to be in. So I'm going to do another video with the, you know, reviews and specs and everything like that on the wig. That's going to be after this one, but first let's do what we came to do. So we're going to install the wig, and I have my meeks up under here. But before we even get started, I want to show you what you're going to need. You're going to need a rat tail comb, some scissors, you're going to need a wig cap. You are going to need some got-to-be spray. You're also going to need a got-to-be glued. You're also going to need wig glue of your choice. I have the infamous Bold Hold here. I also use the Cover Your Gray on the roots just because I'm of a darker skin tone. So sometimes I like to make that mesh within the roots. I can't explain it, but you'll see what happens when I do it. And you're also going to need some type of oil for your scalp. I use Wild Grow, and I also use coconut oil. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is going to be my third time applying this wig. So these braids are old, so judge your mother, okay? Judge your mother. Yes, judge your mother. So as you can see, I had already applied it. So the first thing I do before I even get started is I add some glue in my parts. Some oil in my parts. Like I said, this is me like doing this like for the third time, so I got some glue caked up. No big deal. I'm not stressing. I know how to wash my hair, so I'm gonna just take some glue and just slick back, you know, my hair that's like grown out, my new growth, because this wig needs to last me a few more weeks till I go back to work, honey. So I'm just taking some got-to-be and making sure I slick all my hair back. Alright guys, so I forgot to give you an important step. I forgot to wipe my forehead. But that's an important step. But I forgot it because I was rushing. However, I'll be good because this is gonna keep, I'm gonna just keep this on for like a few more weeks, just like another week or so. But if you want a secure hold, you need to wipe your forehead of all oils and stuff like that so that you make sure your wig sticks. Alright guys, so that last step is completely optional. If you like the lighter roots, then by all means, you know, do you. But I like a darker root just for a more natural look. My wig actually did come with baby hairs, but I don't know where they went. I probably cut them. I'm not interested in, you know, the baby hairs at all. That's just not my thing. But of course, if you have like just a couple, it'll look super cute. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. That last part is totally optional. It might look a little dark right now, that's because of the lights, but outside, like when I'm in the street in natural lighting, I do prefer a darker root just so that it looks a little bit more natural. Like I said, I'm gonna have details on this wig and who made it and how much it was and everything coming up in another video, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you tap that notification bell, like, comment, subscribe. I'm coming back full-fledged, okay? So make sure you guys are in the loop so that you guys make sure you don't miss another video. I'm sure it's doing a lot. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video with me, and I see you in the next one. Peace.